Okay, friends, we're gonna work on adding a few more details to our bunnies. What we're gonna do today is just add some more to our flowers and some greenery, and that's gonna be it. So what we're going to use on our watercolor on top of it is some oil pastels, and you want to remember that with oil pastels, when you're using them, they can smear easily, so we want to be very careful not to rub our hand against it. You're going to pick any color you want, and in the center of each of your flower dots, you're going to do a little circle. You can change out your colors, but you want to think about contrast. If I do this orange on top of my orange watercolor, is it really going to show up? Not really. So I probably should pick a darker color with my lighter, maybe this blue. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to go in the center of each of my flowers and just do a little dot. Okay, friends, now that we have that done, we're going to do a wavy line around the edge of each of our flowers. So you're going to go in with your color choice. You can keep them all the same. We're just going to kind of do a wavy, or more like a scalloped line actually, around each of our flowers, our circles we made. And I'm being very careful. I can always rotate the paper like this if I need to, so I don't rub my hand. Alrighty, friends, so I'm going to leave those like that. Now what we're going to do is add some grass. Now when you're adding grass in your bunny picture, you want to change the size of the grass. A lot of times, friends, when they make grass, they make it all the same size. Our bunny, we're going to pretend he's out in the field having a lot of fun. So I would like you to just vary the size of your grass, and also don't be afraid to make it a little curvy. Real grass kind of grows and curves and blows in the wind, so it's not going to be perfectly straight. I'm going to start with my green or dark green, whatever you would like, and we're just going to go in, and we're even going to do some on top of our bunny. And why I'm doing some on top of my bunny is because it's going to look like there's some grass in front of him, not just behind him. So you get some really tall grass, some really short grass. You can do some stems coming off your flowers. After I've done my light green, I'm going to alternate, and I'm going to maybe try doing some dark green grass too, or even some yellow grass. So I'm doing different sizes. I'm doing a few in front of my bunny, even a few in front of my flowers, to create some space. Okay, and then now I'm going to do a little bit of yellow in there. So alternate between the light greens and the yellows when you're doing this, friends. Okay, and there we have it, friends. How cute is that bunny? If you want to add a little sun in your picture anywhere, you can. Or if you want to add some little flowers or any other details, like if you're going to do little flowers, I just like to do little dots. Okay, so you're more than welcome to do that. Awesome, friends.